Hello guys, they are from Florasis. They are not new, but I'm sure you guys are still interested. They are the liquid eyeshadows. I will have a full swatches at the end of this video. Start with the packaging as I always do. If you have seen Florasis liquid lipstick before, you're definitely familiar with the shape. This collection is really cute. Although the shape is same as their liquid lipstick, the colors, they are very young, like macaroon, very easy on the eyes. Besides, they also have, can you guys see the drape is magnetic? You can take it off and magnet it on. Although the packaging colors are very, as I mentioned, easy on the eyes, the actual colors inside, they are absolutely smashing and shocking. Let me just randomly show you a couple of colors. Can you taste this color? Can you see the wetness? Can you see the reflection, the metallic reflection? They're the one with slightly shimmer colors in there, but more like sheen, metallic sheen. And you will also see some full color exaggeration. Have it look, the pigmentation. This one is 08. It is in comparison a more common color. Where should I put? Let me just put here. It is more coral, apricot, orange color. When you swipe it on, you do feel it's probably standard like a liquid eyeshadow, or is more closer to liquid lipstick, that type of texture, but it dries fast. So if you do want to use it on your eyelid, make sure you spread it out quickly. That's probably kind of like a little bit disadvantage for beginners, as you do need the speed and require a little bit of techniques on blending, but it's very easy to blend it out as long as you kind of like quick enough. But on the plus side, once it's set, it will literally glue on your eyelid. You may, like myself, combine the oily skin, gets a little bit oily on your eyelid, it still stay out whole day. It doesn't kind of like, especially the glitter colors, if you guys have similar experience, you know, in the afternoon or towards evening time, you will see it's like a line. If you have a double eyelid, it's kind of all synced into your eyelid. This one wouldn't. This one just stayed on. It just glued it on. Very lightweight, very good color pigmentation. If you, like myself, I'm more, you know, natural look type of girl, lady. Little goes a long way. All you need to do is dot a little bit on the back of your hand. You can use your finger or use a brush, tap a bit and apply on your eyelid. I wouldn't use for blush, which I tried myself, because I do find the speed is very essential to work with this formula. If I wait for slightly longer, it takes quite a bit effort to make it like even. So I would use this mainly just for the eye look. You can contour with it, which is this one, 09. It is a very good contour color. And to reduce the puffiness on your eyelid. I used it to contour the nose, that's completely fine. But if you use a swipe on the side of your face, I wouldn't recommend, because as soon as you spread out, it starts settling. It will require a good skill to do that. So I would just limit the area where you're going to use it. Within this collection, I love the most are their shimmer glitter colors, which completely overwhelmed. I would actually recommend those shimmer colors to similar type of girls who actually prefer matte, but you want a little bit of highlight to enhance your daily natural look. Just by looking through the natural daylight, you already can see there are 4 different undertones, although the glitters inside, they are multicolors. And the beauty is, once you spread it out, let me just quickly smudge them. Can you see the difference on top and compared to the bottom? Here is more like sparkling dust, and on the top is still more metallic wet reflection. Here I need to insert a quick clip to show you guys how this can be transformed into a evening sparkle party lights. What this can perform for you. If it's natural look base, especially if you go for full matte, you just need to tap a little bit and dot it on your eyelid, on the highest point of your chin, little bit of bling on the nose top. When you talk to people, it will just reflecting the perfect, the highest point of your face structure and make you look so elegant. I would highly recommend, if you haven't tried this, prepare a couple of them for your Christmas. If you are like myself, we are not makeup artists or have limited skill set in terms of put a very colorful makeup on for Christmas, this type of special occasions, and also followed by Valentine's, for example, those color-based glitters, they will really easy to help you achieve next level. Okay, my video hasn't ended yet. Do watch till the end as you will see the full swatches. Here I just want to quickly let you guys know, as I have received your messages asking me to review this collection, although again, it's not new now. It's fairly new. I think they only launched back in October. So I will. It is on my next to-do list. Please keep enjoying the swatches. Hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to give a thumb up and most importantly to subscribe. I will see you on my next video.